The next thing that you can do, which is pretty cool, is you might put your pictures in geometric shapes like this. Okay, select some of the geometric shape that you like, okay, and create it. Okay, here hold down shift and it's going to keep the proportions of the circle like this, right? And next, just place the picture inside this this shape here. Yay, now you have the picture inside. Then click it if you want to kind of like move the picture around. Then click it like this. Yeah, that is also pretty cool, right? Okay, the next is of course type on part. Hold down it. If you want some text to go over the part or something, just hold down it. Okay, this is pretty the same as Illustrator, right? Select type on part tools and then just put it in, on the lines here. You can type it around, surrounding it like this. Pretty fun, right? Okay, maybe a little bit too much. Oh. Now we have this kind of like techniques. Okay, I'm going to zoom in so that you can see the details of the work like this. Yay! Another technique that you might want to do is just place a picture, okay, in between the text, okay, and make sure that the text don't goes over the picture, right? So what you have to do is first just place the text, place the picture. Sorry about that. Place the pictures. Just a moment. Okay, same picture again. Sorry about that. Okay, and just drag it in front of the columns here, right? Adjust it where you want to kind of like place the pictures, and then select both of them, right? And if you're in the Essential Classic workspace, just go to Window, Workspace, and select Essential Classic or Essential here. Okay. Sorry about that. You have to go into Essential Classic. Yeah. Yep. Okay. You might notice that at the corner of Essential Classic here, they will have like a wrap text, wrap around objects. That's a choice, okay, how you want to wrap the text around the pictures, right? The first option is it will go over the text, no text wrap at all, right? So this is going to wrap around the bounding block. Okay, let's select this one first, and this one. What about this one? Okay, it's going to wrap around the object shape, and this one is going to jump around text. Okay, let's select the second one. What happened? Now the text is kind of like wrap around, this picture is not really nice, but let's select something else. Okay, it's going to create a gaps picture for this option. And what about this? Okay, it's going to wrap around this picture, right? So this is another technique that is pretty interesting. The next thing that is pretty interesting is, okay, in some of the books or something, okay, you might notice that the first character might be bigger than other, right? So you can use paragraph style, right, to make some of the character bigger than others. Okay, let's say okay, I'm going to make this text a little bit shorter and typical. Okay, first you type some text, okay, create a text box and then type something in the text box, alright? And then after that, go to type, right? And you will see the option called paragraph style here. Okay, select it. This is one of important tools here, as you can see. Okay, sorry, there's a lot of window here. Select it. Okay, just focus on the paragraph style here, right? Basically they will have one basic paragraph style, right? You can create a new one, okay, by select create new style here. Okay, click on it in the paragraph style. As you can see, it will create another style here, right? You can rename it. Just click it, just click it twice, change the name to, let's say, drop cap. This technique is called drop cap anyway. Okay, then double click on it. Okay, it will open a window and a setting. Okay, we will learn about this kind of setting next week. All right, so can you see the drop cap option here? The drop cap here, and net styles, netted style here, drop caps, select it, and okay, just focus on the drop cap here, and you just determine how how many characters you want to emphasize here, right? If you want to emphasize only one character, select one, right? And the line is the height of that character. Okay, if it is only one, then your character will be pretty small. Let's say we increase the size of the character to four lines like this. Okay, and then you just click OK, and as you might notice here, okay, the first character is pretty big. Okay, it's bigger than others, right? So we choose 4 lines, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So one of the character will be bigger, right? And then there's another line, maybe it's not very beautiful. We can also delete it. Okay, delete it, and then just use other paragraph style in other columns if you don't want this technique anymore. Okay, let's say, okay, you might use two style, right? Another one, you might use just basic paragraph style. Okay, and that's it. Okay, we have pretty interesting arrangement of the text here, right? Okay, another thing is, if you want to adjust the alignment, the easiest way to do it is to use paragraph here. It is in the window. If you can't find anything, just go to window, right? And whoa, it's not here. Yeah, it's here, sorry. Just go to window, select type, and go to paragraph here. Yeah, or you can go to type and paragraph. Okay, usually I use shortcut, just select Ctrl Alt T, okay, or Command Alt T. Okay, press it, it's here. Or just go to window, go to type and table, and select paragraph here. As you might notice, this is left alignment. If you want it to be full justification, select the right one. Okay, if you want it to be in the middle, select this one. Okay, that is pretty easy, right? Yeah. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to put the picture into a text. Okay, it's very easy in InDesign, right? The first thing is you have to create a text box like this, right? Just write something. Okay, I'm going to write my name in this this document, Junhapon, PHOL, like this. Make it big so that it's going to be more visible. In this case, I will put like 100. Let's see whether it's too big. Oh god, it's too big. Okay, I will go with 22. Yeah, just name is enough. Yeah, maybe it's too much. Okay, I'm going to delete my last name. Okay, fine. The next thing that you have to do, of course, you have to create outlines of the work. Okay, just select it, select the text frame, right, and go to type, and then go to create outline here, or just press Command Shift O for Mac or Control Shift O for PC. Yay! Click it. Now we create the outline, right? The next thing is place the pictures, okay, inside this text. Okay, and you could go to files and then go to place, or use the shortcut Command D for Mac and Control D for PC, like this. Okay, select the pictures like this, right, and then just double click on the pictures like this. As you can see, it is inside the pictures. Okay, if you want to move the pictures, can you see the circle inside the text here? You can also move the picture around as well. Come on. Okay, as you can see, the effect is kind of like moving a little bit. Okay, don't forget to then click on the circle inside and move it. When the hand tool is present, move it. Yeah, see, okay. So the color can be changed like this. Okay, this is the technique. How can you place the picture inside the text? Pretty easy. Okay, I already talked about text wrap. Okay, what is it exactly? If you want to kind of put the picture um, inside a text box like this, and you don't want the text to run over the pictures, right? However, as you might notice that the distance between the pictures and the borders and the text is not well arranged here, so you can make an adjustment here as well. Just go to Windows, right, and go to text wrap here, select it, right, or just press Command Alt and Real together on your keyboard, okay, for Macs, right, and Control Alt the Real for PC. Okay, it's going to open this box. Yay! Okay, and then you place the pictures on top of the text box like this, right, and there's a distance that you can adjust. Okay, this is the distance on the top. Okay, if you want more of the distance, okay, as you can see, okay, it changed the distance, right? You can unlink it here and just give a specific distance for others. Okay, just make sure it's just nicely done, right?